liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body. It works around the clock to protect you from harmful toxins. Too much stress, lack of sleep, and low-nutrient foods can make your liver sluggish. Fatigue, mental fog, hormone disruption, or unexplained weight gain could be a sign your liver can't keep up. If any of these sound familiar, it's time to jumpstart detoxification with core support. With targeted micronutrients, plant-based nutrition, clean protein and fiber, core support restores the natural cleansing process and tastes so good you won't believe you're detoxing. But what happens when your body detoxifies? The liver uses a two-step process called biotransformation to neutralize and get rid of toxins. In the first phase, fat-soluble toxins are converted to intermediary metabolites, which are volatile and need to be removed quickly. In phase 2, the liver uses 6 specialized pathways to process, package, and remove these harmful toxins from the body. Core support contains VitaVeggie, a concentrated blend of vegetable antioxidants to boost liver detoxification, plus 5 proven phase 2 activating nutrients that support key detoxification pathways. The formula is the power-packed detox boost your liver needs to clear out toxins and help you feel rejuvenated from the inside out.